Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is our third lesson in the Excel Formula Series Beginner to Advanced. In this video, we'll learn how to use the sum function in Excel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to follow our page for more videos and updates. In the last lesson, we learned about average, min, and max functions. Now let's begin with the sum function. We're using similar data as in our last lesson. Type equals SUM, then select the complete data range. Press enter, and the total value appears instantly. Now let's apply the formula across other columns. And just like that, the sum function has calculated totals for all columns. I hope you found this lesson useful. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.